Folks, it's Sunday morning. I'm out here by the Pointe. We're coming over to get some live shrimp. We're gonna go try somewhere else this morning. An old spot I have. See how it works out. Good spot to get out the sun. Hi folks, we're almost where we're gonna launch the boat at. After traveling for about an hour, it seems like. Had trouble finding live bait. We had to go over to Rigolets Marina to find them. But this is called the New Orleans RV Resort and Marina. That's where we're at, folks. You gotta go buy a launch ticket, which is $10, and then you come launch right over there. See what happens. All right, folks, we're about ready to go here. We're gonna launch it. All right. Get the bait. But folks, two boats fishing right up and down. I guess I was going through. I wouldn't realize I was throwing a big wake, so I slowed down. All right, folks, it's noisy as hell down here. But we out the sun. We got a breeze blowing on our face. We're gonna try right along here. And I know they got fish here. I know. We're gonna see them. There's a crab over there, folks. That's the second one coming through here. Nice sized crabs. Yes, sir. Just had a nibble. Folks, we've been here about 45 minutes. That's the first fish. Freshwater drum. Oh, he's got my line. That's what he's got. Folks, it's like air conditioning. It's 11 o'clock. You don't even feel the sun. Kind of noisy, but it's like a tunnel. Wind blowing that way. Nice cool breeze. Can't make up my mind which way the water's going. Trying to figure that out. I had one pop my line, missed one, and Big William missed one. It's kind of slow. Will found. Ooh, look at that, baby. Look at that. No, that's a sheephead. Sheephead. We take them. Hold on, biggie. Willie's on the board. Got the big old sheephead. It's 11:34. They just starting to bite, folks. William just caught the sheephead, and I caught this little freshwater drum here. Nice and cool. All right, folks, that's number 3. I'm leading one of the pack too, 3-1. Really got one, folks. Don't know. Oh, there it is. What is it? Oh, first catfish of the day, Will. Nice one, though. Flip was up by you. Go, Will. Will's got another one, folks. Action's picking up here. Ooh, he's sheepy. A sheepy head, baby. A sheepy head. Woo, woo, woo. A sheepy head. You got caught up in the... You caught up in the... There you go. Got a sheepy head, folks. That's sheepy head number 2. That's sheepy head number 2. Hey folks, that's number 2 for Mr. Will. Number 2. Look at the teeth in him, Will. Hold him while I get a picture of his teeth. Alright folks, you don't want to put your finger in that right there. That's like human teeth right there. We'll chop your finger off. I made that mistake once.